In this video, we listed the 5 best fishing chairs on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Portable Fishing Chair. The portable fishing chair is an essential companion for outdoor enthusiasts, designed for maximum comfort and versatility. With a high load-bearing capacity of 150 kilograms, this sturdy chair features a lightweight aluminum alloy frame that is both durable and easy to transport. Its adjustable height and 4 legs ensure stability on various terrains, while the backrest can recline up to 180 degrees, allowing users to find their ideal relaxation angle. The chair is foldable for convenient storage and comes with a storage bag, making it easy to carry on picnics, camping trips, fishing excursions, or barbecues. Whether lounging by the water or enjoying a meal outdoors, this versatile chair offers the perfect blend of comfort and practicality, making it a must-have for any outdoor activity. Number 2. VEVOR Outdoor Folding Chair. The blue reclining folding camp chair is designed for comfort and convenience in outdoor settings. Constructed with high-quality 600D Oxford cloth and breathable mesh fabric, this chair offers a wider seating area and features an adjustable design with 2 height settings, allowing users to sit up or recline as desired. It is lightweight yet sturdy, capable of supporting up to 330 pounds, making it suitable for various activities such as camping, fishing, or even as a nap chair in the garden or office. The chair includes practical elements like a built-in cup holder and a large storage bag for easy access to personal items. VEVOR, the manufacturer, prides itself on providing tough equipment and tools at affordable prices, along with a commitment to customer satisfaction that includes fast delivery and a 30-day free return policy. With its compact foldable design, this chair is easy to carry and store, making it an ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 3. PACOONE Travel Folding Chair. PACOONE is a brand originating from mainland China, known for its diverse range of products that cater to various consumer needs. The brand focuses on quality and innovation in its offerings, providing detailed specifications and reports for each item to ensure transparency and consumer awareness. With a commitment to excellence, PACOONE aims to deliver reliable and functional products that meet the expectations of its customers. Number 4. Sunlounger Starry Chairs. The product is a modern-style chaise lounge designed for outdoor use, specifically as a beach chair. Manufactured by the brand Oing in mainland China, this lightweight and foldable chair is constructed from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to the elements. It features a customizable design, allowing users to adapt it to their preferences. The lounge chair, referred to by various names such as Siller Deplier and Siller Pleggable Deplier, is available with free shipping, though customers are advised to consult store customer service for details regarding transit times. This product blends functionality with a sleek aesthetic, making it an ideal choice for beach outings and outdoor relaxation. Number 5. Nature Hike Fishing Chair. The Tnook Fishing Chair is a modern outdoor furniture piece designed for versatility and comfort, measuring 62 by 60 by 89 centimeters and crafted from sturdy iron material. This chair features handrails and is foldable for easy transport and storage, making it ideal for various outdoor settings, including beaches and gardens. Originating from mainland China, it is customizable and comes with free shipping, with optional logistics services like DHL, FedEx, and UPS. The product is available under multiple names, including Camp Sandaliesi, Siller Pleggable, KDIA, Salon de Jardin, and Tumboners, highlighting its broad appeal. Key selling points include its convenient storage capabilities and robust design, making it a stylish and functional choice for outdoor relaxation.